Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
The band of rain and snow continuing to march its way east, now heading east of the Cascades. We've seen things dry out in Medford and Grants Pass, but more shower activity starting to move in along the coast. So there will still be the possibility for some rain and snow showers through the overnight, but this is the most widespread the precipitation will be this evening. We are seeing some snow in the Klamath Falls area now, also some pretty snowy passes through the Cascades. You can see those flakes flying on 97 there. Near Klamath Falls. And as we expand the view down into Northern California, wet weather continues to work its way east of I-5 now, but we've seen some snow through western Siskiyou County in the higher elevations where a winter weather advisory continues until 4 a.m. tomorrow. Snow totals will generally be between 3 to 5 inches with up to 8 inches above 5,500 feet. And we also have another winter weather advisory for the weekend up towards the Crater Lake and Diamond Lake areas above 5,000 feet, expecting more snow of 5 to 10 inches for later Saturday into Sunday. But for tonight, when everything's all said and done, we'll see about 3 to 6 inches up at Crater Lake and Diamond Lake, 1 to 3 at Lake of the Woods. Mount Ashland, about 1 to 2 inches. Same story for the Mount Shasta Ski Park. And then most of the east side, Mount Shasta, the Siskiyou Summit, a trace to an inch or so. That's about it in most spots. So not all that much falling for this evening and tonight. That band of moisture is starting to break up a bit as it heads east of the Cascades. Right now 46 in Medford. We're at 36 in Klamath Falls, 41 in Montague, and 48 degrees in Brookings. The coast will continue to see a high surf advisory through the weekend. Breakers could be up to 30 feet. Now we will see a few lingering showers out there and snow showers in our higher elevations overnight. Winds will be gusty, especially through some of the higher terrain. And then tomorrow, a lot of clouds. The morning will be drier than the afternoon as we'll start to see more areas seeing rain and higher elevation snow develop. Winds will also pick up as we go throughout the day, and it's going to be an overall wet and windy weekend. Strong winds will develop, especially later Saturday into Sunday. Snow is mainly going to stay, though, above 5,000 feet. Here's a look at high wind warnings in place for this weekend for areas east of the Cascades and for the coast. Gusts could be up over 60 miles per hour at times. So what to expect? As we take a look at Stormcast, we'll see things wind down into tomorrow morning. But then as we go throughout the day, rain developing along the coast and the coastal mountains, some rain and snow showers near the Cascades and some of our other area higher terrain. But then as we head into tomorrow night on into Sunday, rain and snow become a bit more widespread throughout southern Oregon, northern California, right into your Sunday. And we have more wet weather on the way for Monday as well, and the most significant rainfall and precipitation will be for the coast and the coastal mountains, up to 3 to 6 inches of snow. For Medford and down into the Shasta Valley, we're looking at a ½ an inch to as much as an inch, inch and a half. But again, as you head further to the west towards the coast, those rainfall totals look impressive, and we need every drop of it. As far as snow levels are concerned, they stay fairly high, mainly impacting the higher passes. But later Monday into Monday night, they do crash, and that could lead to a little bit more issues when it comes to travel because of snow. But your 7-day forecast, it is going to be rainy this weekend. Some of that rain very heavy through the weekend on into Monday. Northern California getting soggier as the weekend goes on into Monday as well. For the Klamath Basin, we'll be looking at some wet and wintry weather through the weekend, especially on Monday. The Cascades travel will be difficult at times through the weekend into the start of next week. And then in the Rogue Valley, just going to stay as rain, but it will be pretty soggy out there right into the start of the next work week.